Alright, so here our next movement is called hammer curl to shoulder press. So we're going to work our biceps and shoulders, forearms as well. So what we're going to do, shoulders in the back pocket, chest up. We're going to curl the weight up and then we're going to press it to the sky as high as we can. So we're going to control on the way down as well and open up. So what it looks like again in real time. Here and here. So breathing is a little bit interesting with this one because it is a double movement. So you can take a breath in. Hold it that long. Inhale. Or you can take a couple breaths of the movement just because it's easy. Okay? So let's try it right here. And we're going to try to take it for 10 to 12. Alright, so what we're going to do here, we're also going to keep a neutral grip. So we also got to keep those weights straight. Yep. And then as we curl up, we're going to hammer curl. Exactly. And then we're going to come to the sky. And then press straight up. But when you press straight up, you're also going to keep it control. Yep, and then come back down the same way, and then let it down. So elbows also keep as tight to the body as possible throughout the whole movement. Alright, here we go. Yep, and press up. Good. See, so you're just going to curl it into position, and then press it up to the sky. Count that as 1. Good. 2. Perfect, right there. 3. So when you press, you're going to the sky, straight over the head. Good. Nice. 4. Good. 5. Good breathing. Keep up. Nice. Halfway. Good work. Good work. 5 more. Keep it up. Keep it up. You got it. Good. 4 more. Don't stop when we're tired. Stop when we're done. Good job. Last 3. Good work. Good work. Keep that chin up. 2 more. Good. Same. Last one, last one. There you go. Good work. Awesome. Good job.